So what's up, Freight Broker family? I hope you're doing well out there today. Hope you're enjoying this wonderful weekend that we're having here. I certainly am. I want to talk to you, those of you who have already started to make money in your business, right? You've gone from this idea, this thought that you had in your mind, because we go in our minds and we say, man, I would like to be able to sit at home, work from my computer, move loads, and make money, right? That sounds good. That briefs well. But that isn't real for you until you do it. You have to do it before it's real, right? So you've done that. You are making money in your business. So I want to give you a round of applause and say, great job. Keep doing what it is that you're doing. Keep moving forward. Because that's where we want to get to, where we're making money. All right? But now there are other levels that we have to go to, higher places that we have to go, right? So think about it. Once we start making money, then we want to start making consistent income so that we can pay ourselves a salary, right? And I know right now you're saying, man, I'm cool with working and not getting any money right now. I know it. We all start out that way. We all are good to work for a period of time and not get any money. But ultimately, you want to get paid. You want your work, your effort to be compensated, right? Man, you want to be compensated well for that, especially when you're putting that brain power into it. You're putting your all into your business. You want to reap the benefits of that. And one way you can do that is through getting paid, right? All right, so let's make sure that we're on the same sheet of music as we understand getting paid or paying yourself a salary. Now, I don't mean that you just go in because you have a great month and pull money out of your business. Oh, I'm going to go and get $5,000 out. No, I mean paying yourself a consistent salary or wage. Paying yourself much like a business would pay an employee, right? Right now, myself and my business, I'm an employee of my business. I get a set salary or set monthly payment every month. My wife is also an employee of the business, and we pay her a set salary every month. Now, the reason for that is because I get some huge advantages from paying myself a salary. Do I have to pay payroll taxes? Yes. But here's the big advantage that comes with it. I also get to go out and set up my own 401k under Alliance Logistics. And now I can make 401k contributions just like anyone could on a job. They're just like they have a 401k plan on their job. I have my own 401k for Alliance Logistics, and I can contribute to that $19,500, or I think it's $20,500 now for the year. And under my wife's 401k, I can do the same. So we're talking $41,000 that you'll be able to save inside of a tax haven, and that money grow tax-free the whole time it's in there. And then when you get ready to take it out, you don't have to pay taxes. This is if you know what you're doing. Make sure you're being guided by your CPA. Don't try and do this stuff on your own. So get this set up the right way. And you can set it up the way that I'm talking about. No, I'm not talking about your traditional IRA. You have to pay taxes on that. You have to pay taxes when you take it out. So if you got $100,000 in it, you probably are looking at about $50,000 because you got to get the rest of your money to Uncle Sam. No, I'm not talking about that way. I'm talking about a different way. It's called a Roth 401k. Have your CPA look into that for you so you can maybe possibly take advantage of that. And another thing that we would consider is the fact that we are always trying to minimize the amount of money that we make, right? We want to make a lot of money, but we don't want to show as much money as we make. Because the more money you show, the more money you pay taxes on. So we want to minimize that overall amount. How do we do that? Well, one way to do it is to take some expenses, the expenses of the business, and deduct from that overall amount to bring it down. And another way to do this is to pay yourself a salary. Because guess what? Some of the amount that you pay yourself isn't a deductible expense. Some of the payroll taxes that you pay yourself is deductible. And oh, by the way, all of the amount that I pay to my wife as a salary and all of her payroll taxes are deductible. So it's a huge, huge deal to pay yourself. It's not just about, giving you a check. it's a lot of tax implications that come with that are in your benefit when you're paying yourself a salary. So I would encourage all of you that are making money to get that consistency and then start paying yourself a salary so you can have those huge benefits. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I certainly hope this information has been helpful. If you want to learn more about the freight broker business, I'll leave a free link in the description. It's my 5-video series. It's titled How the Load Movement Process Works. It will give you a chance to come into the office with me, watch me as I move loads, talk to shippers and carriers. That way you can get a better understanding of how the business works before you come into it. And then if you want to know more about how we go in and find the shippers that we work with, I'll leave you a free video right here that shows you exactly how we do it. So until the next time, I wish you the very best of your life and business. See you at the top, because the bottom is much too crowded.